The VIVO T3 Ultra is a powerful and feature-rich smartphone that offers impressive performance, a stunning display, and a long-lasting battery. Here are its detailed specifications, along with some pros and cons. For specification. For pros. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, this 4nm chipset features over 17 billion transistors and advanced APU fusion technology to deliver unmatched power and efficiency. With a breathtaking 1.5K resolution, 1.07 billion colors, and a P3 cinema-grade color gamut, every image bursts to life with true-to-life colors and incredible detail. This is more than just a screen, it's an immersive experience. RAM and storage has the capacity of 8GB per 12GB RAM and UFS 3.1 with 128GB per 256GB storage. Stay powered throughout your day with the massive 5500 mAh battery. Whether you're working, playing, or streaming, you'll enjoy longer use without constantly reaching for your charger. The 80 watts flash charge powers up from 0% to 100% in 55 minutes. With zero power superfast startup, your phone lights up in just 6 seconds from zero battery, ensuring you're always ready to go. Maintain peak performance without overheating. T3 Ultra's vapor chamber cooling system with 13 temperature sensors reduces core temperatures by up to 14 degrees Celsius, keeping the device cool during intense gaming or heavy multitasking. Snap stunning group selfies with a flagship level 50MP group selfie camera. The 92 degrees ultra-wide-angle 17 ensures everyone fits in the frame. Day or night, your selfies will be clear and vibrant, thanks to advanced AI enhancements. Capture perfect portraits with the studio-quality Aura light, featuring a nanoscale light guide that's 9x21 larger and 45x21 softer than typical flash, for natural, even lighting. Experience a new viewing dimension with T3 Ultra's 3D curved screen, delivering vibrant colors and fluid visuals from every angle. Experience 120Hz smoothness. Every interaction feels fluid with T3 Ultra's 120Hz 14 refresh rate display. Designed for eye comfort, it includes hardware-level blue light reduction and 2160Hz PWM dimming, SGS certified for low blue light, smear, and flicker, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience. Experience pro-level photography with the 50MP Sony IMX921 camera sensor. This 1/1.56 a large sensor, combined with an f/1.88 aperture, captures incredible detail in vibrant colors, even in low light. AI scene recognition and real-time adjustments ensure your photos always look their best, capturing every moment perfectly. Capture stunning 4K videos with hybrid image stabilization 20. Eliminate blur and enjoy smooth, stable footage, even when you're on the move. Focus on what matters. Easily remove unwanted photo bombers with AI erase feature, keeping your photos focused on what matters most. IP68 rated 23. Built to endure. Whether in the rain or at the beach, T3 Ultra's IP68 rating ensures it can withstand submersion in up to 1.5 meters of fresh water for 30 minutes. 4 cons. No headphone jack. The T3 Ultra lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, requiring users to use wireless headphones or adapters. Heavy. The phone is relatively heavy, which may be uncomfortable for some users. Overall, the VIVO T3 Ultra is a solid choice for those seeking a powerful and feature-packed smartphone. Its impressive performance, stunning display, and long-lasting battery make it a great option for demanding users. However, the lack of a headphone jack and higher price point may be drawbacks for some.